This is one of the most easiest ways to make money online in 2025, even if you're broke or you got no followers or you're just getting started. I'll show you how to use Canva's AI tool to create a product in just 30 seconds or less, how to sell it for free without needing a website, and how to get traffic all with zero budget. This method is how I made my first $100 online and it still works to this day. I used to watch YouTube videos for hours, typing in how to make money online, side hustles, digital products, etc. But most of those videos just talk at you. They have no clear steps, no proof, and nothing that actually works for somebody who's a beginner. But when I finally made my first sale with Canva and Gumroad, I was like, yo, this is real. So here's exactly what I did. So I went to Canva, then I clicked on Docs, and then clicked on a tool called Magic Write, Canva's built-in AI writing tool. So when you get there, you want to type something like create a budget tracker for beginners. Hit generate and in seconds it creates a full layout for you. Then you want to click insert, go to share, press download, and make sure you save it as a PDF because that's what actually makes it a digital product that people can actually buy. And just like that, a digital product done for you in less than 30 seconds. Bonus tip. Need more ideas? Here are 3 products that you could ask Canva's Magic Write AI tool to create for you. You could do a 30-day self-love journal, a meal planner for busy moms, or even a weekly habit tracker for students. Whatever niche you're in, Canvas AI can help you create the base. And then you could just edit it and style it up after. Quick tip, I made a free cheat sheet that walks you through the whole process step by step. So if you want access to this free cheat sheet, make sure to check the link in the description box below to get access to it. Now that we got the product created, you actually want to list it. So let's talk selling. I didn't build a website. I simply just used Gumroad.com, which is 100% free. No monthly fees, no upfront cost. They only take a cut after you make the sale. So here's how you do it. Sign up for a free account, click new product, then you want to give it a name. Example, budget tracker for beginners. Then you want to set your price from anywhere from $7 to $9. Then write a simple description. You could use ChatGPT to help you make the description. Then you want to upload a PDF, the one that we saved previously, then hit publish. That's it. Your store is live and it didn't cost you $1. Now that we created the product and listed it, now we need to drive traffic. So the real key here is traffic. You could have the best product in the world, but if you have no eyeballs to your product, it won't sell. So here's what I did. I made a brand new TikTok account around finance and templates. Then I looked up viral videos in the finance niche, and then I took those same videos and reposted it on my TikTok. But make sure you give credit to these people who made the videos, as you don't want to be labeled as a thief. So make sure to give credit, they get exposure, and you get exposure to your brand. Also, I made sure to link my Gumroad link in my bio, so when people look at my page, they know where to find my product. People clicked, saw the value, and bought. Pro tip, you want to do this on Instagram Reels and Pinterest as well too, because that one product can sell across 3 platforms passively. So you don't want to limit yourself in the platforms that you're on. Some extra Canva product examples that you could sell too are affirmation cards such as printable PDFs, wedding planner checklists too, and also daily gratitude journals. All of these can be made in Canva and saved as PDFs, and then uploaded to Gumroad too. It's simple, scalable, and repeatable. The first time I made my first $100 from this, it wasn't about just money. It was proof I didn't need to go viral or build a huge brand or have thousands of followers just to make money online. All I needed was a product that solved a problem, a platform to sell it on, and some free traffic. So if this video helped, I made a free Canva cheat sheet that walks you through this whole process step by step. So if you want free access to that, the link will be in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. And if you're serious about making money online in 2025, hit that subscribe button right now. I drop breakdowns like this every single week, so you don't want to miss that. Because I don't gatekeep and I don't hold anything back. Your first sale is closer than you think. I'm out though. Peace.